Sourcetable, you can easily summarize and aggregate your tabular data with our Summarize feature. For spreadsheet users, this is similar to a pivot table, and if you're a SQL user, under the hood this works as a group by. Here I have some data for my coffee shop. Each of these rows represents an individual transaction, and I want to group them by product category. To get started with a summarize, first I'll click anywhere in the table that I want to summarize. And then you'll notice that the Summarize button becomes active. Once that's active, I hit Summarize, which opens the Summarize menu. Listed at top are the fields available in this table. Since I want to group transaction volume across product categories, for my groups, I'll pick product category, and under aggregates, I'll put transaction quantity. In this case, I don't want to count the transaction line items, I actually want to sum up the values of transaction quantity. So I'll change this from count to sum. Clicking on the Add New Table button will create the summary table in a new spreadsheet tab.